Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can quickly generate images from text prompts in Canva. All you have to do now, you can open Canva, the PC versions. Don't forget to sign in with your account. First, you can click apps and click AI powered. You can scroll down and try to find quickly generate images from text prompts. Generate high quality images from in seconds. Here to start, you can click use in new design or use in existing design. So here you can describe what you like to generate. You can remove background, additional plus credit, or you can try an example. So here we go. Cozy cabin that says home sweet home. You can generate. Please wait, this may take a few seconds. So free generation are available via our web version. You can click to continue generating for free. And this is the result, a cozy cabin that says home sweet home. You can download the image. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the button below. See you in the next video.